TNS is the phoenix of creativity. It is not born from light. It is born from darkness, from noise, from mistakes, from the glitch others try to hide. TNS keeps it. TNS transforms it. TNS uses it. This is a world where thought becomes sound, where emotion finds rhythm, where story becomes music, where silence finally speaks through echo. Signal from the dark is not an album. It is a transformation process. It is the moment when identity opens like wings, when the spectrum becomes spectral reflection, when energy turns into creative fire. For truth, raw truth, unfiltered truth, the kind of truth that vibrates on a frequency not everyone can hear. TNS is a spectral map of the soul. Every glitch is a memory, every noise is a path, every signal is a part of you. This EP is a reflection, but not the kind you see in a mirror. This is a reflection you hear, a reflection you feel, a reflection that reshapes you.